Hey, it's Fuzzy. Today I want to do a review on the Jet Tech 5-in-1 matte case for the iPhone 15. It comes with a 2-pack tempered glass protector and the 2-pack lens protector. So this is your lens protector right here. We've already got one on the phone, and I wanted to show you how thick that is. You see that? And that's how that goes on there like that. Pretty cool, eh? We got the screen protector on already, but what I wanted to show you was this. This company, they send you a little jig or a mold, and you stick it on the phone like that. Then you take your lens protector and you stick it in there like that, and it goes in perfectly. There's no guessing or no nothing, man. It's cool. Okay, and then you put this on, and you see how you can see through it. That's pretty cool too, eh? It's pretty rubbery. Definitely drop proof. So you take that off, clean up your lens, put that on, put it in your case. You got yourself a cell phone case. All right, that's my review.